If you want to change the camera filter on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, I show you how. If you head to settings and scroll down, camera, and here photographic styles. So here you can see standard, amber, so gold, rose gold, bright. If you like this, you can choose this option, or you can customize. So you can adjust with these things. Here you can control that for default mode. I mean, if you select amber and take this, every time you open the iPhone camera, it will switch it to amber mode. But what I would suggest is, here just select standard and open the camera app and just click here and select styles. So here you can, if you swipe like this, you can see vibrant, natural, luminous, dramatic, quiet, cozy. On this side, if you swipe right, you can see that options: amber, gold, rose gold, bright, neutral. So this is, so you just take a picture like this, and if you want to adjust the color tones, here you can adjust like this. So you can see the difference. So if you just click this X mark, now you can see on the top the filter option. You just take a picture. In case if you want to change, click this and change and take the picture. So likewise, so it's actually very simple. So this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about iPhone 17, you need to watch this playlist.